Hi everyone, my name is V Nguyen and welcome to my Google Smart Art Mastery review. So, if you want to make money but you don't know which product to sell, I have the perfect product for you, which is Google Smart Arts Mastery. So Google Smart Arts Mastery is a done for you that is really ready to resell. You don't need to do anything, or you don't need to have any expertise or any extra money. With Google Smart Ads Mastery, you can sell it to anyone who wants to start Google Ads and don't know how to use it. So thanks to Google Smart Art Mastery, you can keep 100% profits for yourself and just make money. So if you're interested, stick with me because I will give you some awesome bonuses with this. You just have to click on my link down below on the description to get my bonuses. So when you click on this link, you will be on my bonus page. So here's my bonus page. So as you can see, you will have all the details about the products, and now I'm going to show you all the bonuses that I would give you. So the first bonus that I would give you is A to Z launch jacking guide. So on this bonus is going to show you how to do a launch jacking. On this bonus is a step-by-step video who is going to explain you in details how to do a launch. So yeah, it's very good. Then the second bonus that I will give you is how to write headlines that sell. So on this bonus is going to show you how to write a really good headlines that people want to click on it, want to know what it's all about, and then you will get traffic, and then you will get sales and this money. So yeah. And then the third bonus that I will give you is how to build a buyer list. So thanks to this bonus, it's going to show you how to have a buyer list, how to build one, and this with a buyer list, you are sure to make money, because when you will sell them a product that you want to promote or sell, you know that they're going to buy your product, and so you're sure that you will make money. So yeah, this is all the bonuses that I will give you. So if you're interested, you just have to click on this button just here. So when you will click on this button, you will be on the sales page that I'm going to show you right now. So here's the sales page. So as you can see, you have a little video intro of Google Smart Art Mastery. So you can watch it on your own when you will be on the sales page. So here you have all the details. This is incredible product comes jump load with these amazing benefits. So create by expert in evergreen niche, done for you, fully integrated sales funnel, ready-made high-quality promotional material, start generating revenue today, no technical expertise or special skill required, drive in responsive leads. So yeah, so you can build your online business now with a done-for-you product and sales funnels. So yeah, as you can see, Google has 90.46% of the search engine market shares worldwide, which is very big. So Google has a market value of $739 billion. So Google is a very big platform, and everyone wants to start their campaign on Google with Google Ads. So thanks to this product, you can sell to people who want to start Google Ads, and this you can make money by doing anything because it's already done for you. So yeah. So here you have some examples of the earnings that some people are getting by thanks to Google Smart Ads Mastery. So as you can see, there is results. So when you will buy Google Smart, you're sure that you will have results thanks to this product. So yeah. So here you have the introduction to Google Smart Ad Mastery. Here is this courses cover. So all you need to know to get started with your Google Ads campaign, find out the latest hot trends and new features add to the Google Ads interface, find out how to set up a Google AdWords campaign successfully, how to perform competitor research analysis on and spy on your Google Ads competitor for key insight. Find out 5 easy steps to schedule your Google Ads. Find out how much does Google Ads cost and how much businesses spend. Find out how can you set a realistic budget and bid for Google Ads. Find out how to improve AdWords CTRS. Find out how to set up Google AdWords extensions and which one to use. Find out all you need to know to add negative keywords to Google Ads and using them for better results. Find out what are the common mistakes you are making with Google Ads, business cases, studies successfully using Google Ads, and such much more. So this is all the courses that Google Smart Ads Mastery is going to cover. So this is all you will give to all the clients that you will sell Google Smart Ads Mastery. So yeah. So this is all you will get in Google Smart Ad Mastery PLR package. So the module 1 is Premier Training Guide on Google Smart Ad Mastery, well-designed sales page copy. So they already done a sales page for you. Customer sales video though. So they also already done a sales video for you that you can use it and to do your campaign. Professionally designed graphics. So you also have the graphics. Animated banners, professional create expert email templates, professional menasites, legal page, social media graphics, PDF graphics. So yeah, this is all you will get in the PLR package of Google Smart Ad Mastery. As you can see, they all done for you. You don't need to do anything. You just have to buy this and then resell and get 100% of profits for yourself. So yeah, and if you buy right now the Google Smart Ads Mastery, you will also get these 3 bonuses that the vendor is going to give you. So the first bonus that the vendor is going to give you is cheat sheet. So this cheat is a practical tool that will guide your customer with easy to follow step of the whole training. Each and every aspect of training is broken down into easy executable steps that will help customer master the process and keep entire training at their fingertips. So yeah, this is the first bonus that the vendor is going to give you. Then the second bonus is a mind map. So you can see the mind map that the vendor is going to give you. Then you will also have the top resources reports. So yeah, this is all the vendor bonuses that you will have when you will buy Google Smart Ad Mastery right now. So yeah. And don't forget that if you click on my link down below, you will also have all the bonuses that I'm going to give you. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like it, don't forget to like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to see my other review video. See you on my next video. Bye.